It's videoing, Daddy.
I know it. Tell them we went and got the ladder. Got a little fertilizer spreader for the garden. Got some screws to patch the roof with. Or the drip edge, you gotta put it back on. We got some Pringles for breakfast and chocolate milk.
I wish you didn't say that.
Why?
Because I don't want you to do that.
Okay. I got a cup of coffee and a little bitty cheesecake thing. Now we can go do some work. What do you think about that, Si?
Cool.
Talking about the garden, we're gonna go fertilize the corn, squash, watermelons, peas, potatoes, tomatoes, bell peppers, jalapeno peppers. It's actually jalapeno, but it's more fun to say jalapeno. We got matching shirts on. We both got red undershirts on. So you got style just like your daddy. Mama says we don't know how to pick out clothes, but I think we do a good job.
What?
Red and blue go together, as far as I know it. You got your boots on with your shorts on.
Yeah, I wish I had pants.
Yeah, well, it's okay. It's a little muggy out there today. Don't you think so? Kind of sticky.
Pocket.
Got your pocket. I got a pocket.
I only have one. You have two.
Well, that's okay. I don't have anything in that one.
Daddy, can I have a pin in my pocket too?
Let's see.
Yeah.
How about that?
Cool.
We got a lot of stuff to do today, don't we?
We do. Maybe we can like measure some board. But Daddy, why do you use some of these stuff that you draw on boards?
Yeah, you can use that to mark on board with if you work on. Most time you use a pencil
Why?
because it lasts a lot longer.
Oh, that is some.
Look at that backhoe side.
Oh, that is so crazy.
That's Mr. Ken. That's a 710L.
You know the camera can
Okay.
hear us.
Yeah, I know.
He was
Here.
talking almost all day long. We both have things to write on.
I know it.
And Daddy, is that thing with ink for writing on board?
Oh, you can, but most time it's for writing on paper.
So we both got things to write. I write on metal. Mine's for writing on metal. His is for writing on boards or papers.
Yeah, well, you can write on other stuff besides metal with that. That's just what Daddy used it for.
You was kind of having a little conversation.
We sure were.
That was fun.
I know it. I enjoyed it.
That was two boys on two.
And two boys talking. That's what we'll call this. Two boys talking.
I like that name.
Like that name.
Two boys talking Chuck.
Two boys talking truck.
That's a nice name. I love it.
I know it. That's what I thought.
What are you gonna name this truck?
Spot.
Weird.
Because the paint's coming off of it.
I'd actually call it Workman.
Workman, okay.
That's a nice name.
That's a good name.
Daddy, your truck's name White Lightning.
White Lightning.
Or Thunder Lightning.
Huh?
Dash, get out of that.
No, it's not magic.
No, it's not. How many times do I have to go back and forth?
A bunch.
up, Daddy.
I know it.
Look how big they got. Look at that. Hey, can I do that? Dash, no. Can I try?
Hold on, we don't get the camera in this stuff.
Can you hold it and I do it? Can I do it?
Hold on, Luke.
Sorry. Can this be end of our video? Daddy, it's almost the end of our video. Subscribe and like that button. Ring that notification bell. Bye.